Right, back in action here on the 72. Starting to take our fuel lines off. This is our outlet line. That one is our return. I'm gonna undo some zip ties here. Get all of this done and handled. We gotta make a line, mount our fuel filter up there. So I'll make that line. I gotta make the other line. And our return line is pretty straightforward. I can make that as well. I'm gonna go cut these zip ties, get all this stuff out of our hair, and away we go. Okay, so just for demonstration, that's the rubber hose. It's Continental, 3/8. Fuel, oh, not for fuel injection systems. Wow. I thought they bought Continental EFI hose, but look, it says right on it, not for fuel injection system.
Oh, wow.
Cute, good job. Overdid that, real good job. And they put the AN style fittings on it.
Mm-hmm.
I'm amazed that this hose didn't rip, actually. Because this stuff does not like... It's not intended for that. It's intended for a clamp. It's, you know, not for EFI. I'm sure this is like trans-cooler hose or power steering return hose or something like that.
Yeah.
I mean, it definitely would hold the pressure, but if it's not for EFI, then I would not be using it. Yeah, that's a fire waiting to happen. That's a liability. So, William, you might want to send this video to whomever did this. Let them know this is not how this works. Right. Our return line, I have our 90-degree fitting already on and done and complete. I'm getting ready to go up here. I did cut off our factory line. It had a little nipple on it, little barb, little bubble flare, so to speak, for a piece of hose. So I cut that off nice and smooth. A compression to -6, and then I'm gonna go to -6 male, and I'm gonna go this -6 here on our hose when I cut it. So I'll get this all together and tight, and then I'll have our dimension. And then we can cut this, and then that line will be done there, and we can start building our feed line with our fuel filter and all that fun, happy stuff. Happy-go-lucky stuff, Jimmy?
Yep.
Nice. All right, there it is. Adapter's on. Looking good. Now we're going to take and we'll measure this. Pull this baby up. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Right about there. Cut it back about 1/4. We'll mark that. Cut it. And then put a fitting on it. All right, so starting our outlet line. Got our fitting on there. Oh, nice. It's gonna go up and around. Here's our original. Whoever wired this went really positive for our pump, and it goes up and around and over. It's got this big old slack in it, but they've cut and spliced it here already. So I want to take it and route it properly and mate it with our ground here and put them nice little convoluted tubing or something nice up and out of the way, and probably end up cutting that and redoing that pigtail real fast. Not a big deal, we'll handle it, but for right now we're gonna get this off. I'm gonna undo it there where it mates to the hard line. I'm gonna pull the whole assembly out, then I can use this and match it accordingly.